Hello friends. I'm back with my sixth chapter. So I hope you all are doing well and you all are in a good health. So see, the sixth chapter is self-introduction. As you can see in my board, so you see on my board, it is very clearly visible. The sixth chapter is self-introduction. Self-introduction in Hindi means खुद का परिचय देना. Alright. See how we can self-introduce ourselves to anybody in English. And remember, this is not two-way conversation. This is one-way conversation. That means only one person is speaking. मैं ही सिर्फ बोल रही हूँ अपने बारे में, मुझे कोई सुन रहा है या मैं किसी को बता रही हूँ अपने बारे में. जब हम ऐसा करते हैं तो उसको सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन बोलते हैं और तब हम लोग ये सब जो मैं लिखी हूँ बोर्ड पे उसको यूज़ करते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट टू-वे कन्वर्सेशन. आई रिपीट, it is one way self introduction. You are giving your self introduction to somebody who is listening to you, or maybe even with you, he or she may be your friend. So clear? So see how you can self introduce yourself. First one, you will say greet. Greet means as I have told you in my first video, good morning. That depends on the time of the day. If it is morning, then good morning, it is formal, and if you are meeting your friend, then hi, hello. But generally when you are self introducing, you say good morning, good evening, because generally a self introduction is a formal process. Next one is name. Your name. Myself Priyanka, myself Pinky, myself Pooja, or anybody, or I am. But a good English is myself and your name. The third one is the place where you live. Suppose you live in Rama Green City at Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. Similarly, even if you are living in any society, you will name the society first, then the city. Next one is family. How many members do you have in your family? Suppose I have 2 daughters. I live with my husband and I have 2 daughters. I live with my husband and I have a son. अगर एक बोलना है तो you generally do a. You add a. One को one ना बोल के हम a बोलते हैं. I have a son. I have a daughter. Understand? Here I have written as an example. I have 2 daughters, but if you have one child, you will say I have a son or I have a daughter. Next one is about your qualification, what you are about your skills. You can also say, for example, I have done postgraduate from Calcutta University, or I have done graduation from Chhattisgarh University, I have done graduation from Bilaspur University, or something like that. And you can also add, and I love in my college days I write stories, I used to write stories. You can add some skills. Skills means जो आप में एक्स्ट्रा खासियत है. क्वालिफिकेशन इज़ योर एकेडमिक क्वालिफिकेशन. उसके अलावा भी अगर आप कुछ जानते हैं तो आप बता सकते हैं. आई हैव सम स्किल्स इन कुकिंग, यू कैन से. सी द नेक्स्ट वन, हॉबीज़. जनरली हॉबीज़ पता है ना आपको, पास टाइम जिसमें आप लोग करते हैं. जैसे कि आई लव, उसको यूज़ स्टार्ट कैसे करते हैं. आई लव डांसिंग फॉर एग्जाम्पल. आई लव रीडिंग बुक्स. आई लव लिसन टू म्यूज़िक. द मिस्टेक्स which you are doing in the last couple of days back, I told you, listening और listen के बाद हमेशा preposition to लगता है. If you are saying I am listening music, it is wrong. I am listening to music, or I love listening to music. I love reading books. Similarly, if you have 2 hobbies, I love reading books and dancing at the same time. You can say some like this. I love reading books and dancing at the same time. Understand? Hobbies. Now generally when you are self introducing yourself, you do these 5-6 things and then you end. How you will end? That's all about me. That's all about me. So good morning, myself Priyanka. I live in Rama Green City at Bilaspur, and I have a son and I live with my husband. I have done postgraduate from Calcutta University, and I love dancing when I am free, and that's all about me. Thank you. You end it with thank you. That's all about me. Thank you. So I have not written thank you, so you can add that's all about me. Thank you. Understand? So in this way you can self introduce yourself in English. I hope it is clear. So the next assignment is very easy. You have to, using these hints, you have to self introduce yourself. Write correct English, and remember, when you are self introducing yourself, you generally use present tense until you are telling something about your past. that in past I was a good drive I was a good at driving a car, but now I forgot. Unless until you are using this type of sentences, generally you use present tense in self introduction, and I would preferably tell you that you please write simple Englishes. Don't try to make it complicated. You are starting your English conversation and you are starting your English learning classes, so write simple sentences, okay, in present tense. Try to write in present tense. In present perfect, I have done. Avoid past tense, because in past tense it will become complicated for you and the sentence will become wrong. So am I clear? So guys, you will do this homework after I finish this video, and I will correct it. So thank you, and I have a great day.